Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Maya and today I'm just gonna be doing my makeup for funsies, for shits and gigs. A little makeup therapy session, if you will. So sit back, enjoy the music. All of the credits will be in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like this video, you know, all the stuff. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing something different because makeup makes me feel really good. I love it. I'm sure many of you do. And I've been seeing a lot of these makeup therapy videos on YouTube lately. And I'm like, wow, like I always do this. I didn't know that's what it was called, but I guess that's what it's called. So I guess we can get right into it. So I'm just starting out by putting some Glossier Future Dew on my face. Then I'm gonna be taking the It Cosmetics CC cream in the shades Fair and Light, just because I'm in a weird in-between tone right now. Then I'm just gonna be buffing it in with like a small foundation brush. And then I'm just gonna go and put a little bit more of this on places where I have like redness or inflammation, just on the areas that I really need it. And then I'm gonna be using a beauty blender and pressing it into my skin. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm gonna be mixing the shades 15 and 10. And then with my finger, just dotting it on. And blending the rest in with a beauty blender. Now it's time for eyebrows. With my eyebrows, I usually start filling in the one that is the most fucked up. Usually I have one eyebrow that looks better than the other on its own, and that's this one. So I start with this one and kind of try and make it match. Next, I'm just taking my Glossier Boy Brow in blonde and like brushing through my eyebrows. Next, I'll be using this Chanel multi-use highlighter thing. Like, this is so old. The Milani blush. I'm just gonna be lightly setting the center of my face with the Winky Lux Diamond Powder. I'm gonna be taking this MAC palette, and I'm gonna start first with the lightest shade and highlight my inner corner. So I'm gonna be taking that middle shade right there and using it in my transition, like all over kind of my eye, and then go in with this one more in my crease. So now I'm gonna be taking this flat brush with this bottom middle shade. Eye makeup is done. Now it's time for lips. So I'm gonna use a MAC lip liner in the shade Soar. I'm gonna take this Pat McGrath lip gloss. Thank you everybody so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like it. Let me know if you want to see more of these, like, and if it was even relaxing for you to watch. I don't know, I tried to keep like my voice very low and calm because sometimes when I get on camera I get a little skitsy, I get a little crazy. I kind of black out and then don't know what I say until I go and edit it. But be sure to subscribe, give me a comment, follow me on Instagram, and if you live in the US and you are above the age of 18, first of all, make sure that you're registered to vote, and second of all, make sure you go and vote, because the entirety of like literal American democracy is at stake. It doesn't matter like how you feel, like, yeah, I fucking hate America, it sucks, blah, blah, blah. But you know, like, we have to be the ones to make it better as young people going into the world. It's going to be a process, but it can happen, and like the only way that it does happen is by you going to the polls and voting and putting in your opinion. I know it feels like your voice isn't heard, you know, but trust me, it fucking is. And the only reason that you feel that it hasn't been heard is because the amount of people that are not you and have different interests as you, like, they vote. The old people vote. The Trump supporters vote. It's us that never really got instilled in us the importance of your right to vote, like how great that is. Don't fucking vote third party. I don't know what kind of flex you think that is, but it's like not a flex. If you vote third party, you might as well vote for I don't even want to say that out loud. Not voting is not a flex. The only thing that you're doing is equating Joe Biden and his like yeah, like he's not the best and like, okay, he kind of sucks, but you're equating like kind of sucks to like a literal dictator. So you're just a dumbass. Go vote. I don't care. I don't care what you fucking think. Get him out of the fucking White House because American democracy is at stake and it has been for quite some time. Okay. Sorry, a little off topic, but again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like it, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me know if you like makeup therapy videos, because this was actually really calming for me to do just like by myself, because I literally do this all the time when I wake up anxious about the world and whatnot. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.